In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can find the location of every IG account. So you can be inquisitive sometimes and you want to know the location or the country in which an IG account is being operated from. So let me show you guys how to do this. Just open your IG like this, move to your search. So I don't know how IG gets this information or they generated this information, but I think when you create your account and then you be in a location for some time, they change your location to that location. So let's use Sancho for the first one. So you can see this is profile. Let's tap on the three dots here and then let's move to about his account. And you can see here they are saying his account is based in the UK. So he's in the UK right now. So now let's move to this guy. Let me use this guy. He scored 2 goals yesterday. He's from Spain, but then let me use this guy. So yeah, so he started football at Betis Belompe, but then he's at Como right now. He just moved there, but then I think he's been posting from there for some time now. You can see he's been there for some time now, so definitely his account should be changed to Italy. Let's tap on that and good. You can see here it was created in 2018, so that time he was in Spain playing Betis. Now let's move here. Let's choose another guy. Let's choose let me use this guy. Let me use Papi. Okay, let me use this guy. Okay, this guy also played for Villarreal. He's a Senegalese. So let's check. So he's been in Spain for some time. He was in France. Okay, so you can see he was created in 2018, but they are saying the account is based in Spain because he's been operating from Spain for some time now. You can see Villarreal. So that's it on how you can check the location of every IG account. So it's very much simple and easy. Just hop on there and then do this and you're going to find the location. But just like I said, I don't really know how they generate the location, but then I think that's my basic knowledge I know about it. So yeah, that's it for the video. Peace.